Hello everyone. In this video we will do some troubleshooting. First of all, I would like to give a brief on our existing infrastructure, our network. Suppose we have 4 LANs, LAN 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 LANs we have connected with 4 routers. This is LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3 and this is LAN 4. Okay, we have 4 networks, 4 LANs connected with each other using 4 routers. And we have utilized EIGRP with the AS100 as our routing protocol in order to achieve the communication between these separate networks, and the IP addresses and the networks subnets we have used 192.168.10.0 in LAN 1, 20.0 in LAN 2, 30.0 in LAN 3, 40.0 in LAN 4, and also we have utilized 1000/30, that means 1001 here, 1002 in this interface, and here in this subnet 2001 here, 2002 here, in this subnet 3001 here, 3002 here. Also in this subnet we have used 4001 here and 4002 here, and we have achieved the communication through EIGRP AS100. This is a brief about our existing topology. This is a running topology, our running network. We have currently it is being running, but there is some issue in our network. Some users in LAN 1 is reporting that they are unable to reach some of other outside LANs, maybe into LAN 2 or maybe LAN 3 or maybe LAN 4. We have to check where is the issue, into which networks this LAN 1 is unable to reach. They are reporting they are unable to reach some of the outside LANs. It may be into LAN 2, or it may be into LAN 3, or it may be into LAN 4. So we have to check in detail where is the issue, why they are not getting this reachability into these outside networks. Suppose you are the IT administration of this network, and you may be, suppose you are in LAN 1, your physical or your machine is connected into this any one of these LAN. Suppose in LAN 1 you are sitting here with your PC is here, your laptop is here connected into this network. So you may have access into all these routers. As an IT administration department, you will have the administration access into all these routers. So we don't know why they are unable to reach, why they are reporting this issue. Maybe some physical connectivity, connectivity problem maybe, or maybe some other issues, maybe some configuration issues. So anyway, we will start from here. We are first log into this router, and we will check the EIGRP neighborship is still existing or not. First, in between this R1 and R2 and this R1 and R4, the neighborship is existing there or not. We know that in EIGRP we have different tables, right? We have a neighborship table, we have topology table, and we have routing table. First we have to check any issue in physical connectivity. Okay, we have to check any physical connectivity issue, then we can check the neighborship is there or not. If neighborship is existing, they are advertising this network into our router or not. For example, we found that the neighborship is okay, no issue in between the neighborship, EIGRP neighborship is up between all the routers. Then we have to check why it is reporting into or not. Okay, first you entered into this router as an administration, you logged into this this router first, and you are checking is the neighborship is there or not in between the router 1 or router 2. Before that, you can confirm the reported issue is there or not. Maybe by mistake they may be reported the issue, or maybe by the time it may be resolved due to any other problem, maybe automatically may be resolved in any case of the service provider issue may be there. So you have to confirm the issue still there or not. From this user you can ping into any of the other LAN PC. For example, you can ping into, suppose you are pinging into this PC, this is 192.168, I configure the PC IP is here. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, 192.168.30.2, 42, 10.2 and 32, and all this gateway is put as IP address 1, 20.1 here, 30.1 here. The LAN interface gateway is taken as the first usable IP from the subnet 40.1, and this is 10.1. So first you have to check, you have to confirm. For example, I open this PC and you are confirming that the problem is there from this LAN to this, or into LAN 3 or into LAN 4. I will ping from LAN 1 into LAN 2, 192.168, 20.1 is the gateway of the LAN. See, there is some reachability issue. We are unable to reach into this interface of this LAN, the gateway, that is the gateway towards the LAN 2. We are getting unreachable message. And also we can check into this router, that is 30.1 gateway. We can check into 30.1 gateway. 30.1 is also unable to reach. There is some issue. And now we can check into this LAN number 3, the gateway towards the LAN 3 is 40.1. You can check 40.1. We are getting the reply from 40.1. So there is no any issue into this LAN 4. We have reachability issue into this LAN 2 and LAN 3. We have some reachability issue. Okay, so the problem still exists. Now you can check the neighborship EIGRP. We have used our infrastructure is running under EIGRP routing protocol. Then you can confirm the EIGRP neighborship is there or not. You are confirming the neighborship between the routers. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. So we have two directly connected routers. 1002, this is this one, and 4002. 1002 and this router, this is 1002 and this is 4002. So we have neighborship between the routers, no issue in EIGRP. EIGRP is up and running. You can also log into this router because you will have access into all the routers through remotely. Now you want to confirm from this router the neighborship is between this router and this router existing or not. You can check the neighborship. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. Also we have two neighbors running and up, no issue between that. You can check from this router. Now all this you can confirm through remotely because you have the remote access into all your networking devices. You should have it. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. There is also no issue in EIGRP neighborship. So EIGRP is working fine, no issue. Now you have to confirm topology table, which routing protocols, which subnets are not coming into this network. We are not getting reachability into this. So you have to confirm from this you have reachability or you are getting this network. Which network is missing? For example, this network is you are not getting reachability. So you have to confirm this network is under your topology table and your routing table. Show IP EIGRP topology. Confirm that you have the issue into 192.168.20.0. So you should confirm that network is listed in your topology table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are the connection between the routers. We have all this network. We have 10 which is directly connected network also, and 40, but we don't have listed the network 20, 192.168, 20 and 30, 20 and this 20 and this 30 are not listed, not comes into our topology table. So there is some issue in topology. Also it will not come. Show IP EIGRP, show IP route EIGRP. You can check the routing table also. We have only 192.168.10 and 192.168.40 network. So you notice that the network these and these two 20 and 30 is not comes into this routing table and topology table of this router. So you are remotely entering into this router now. In the router, in the gateway router in the LAN 2, you are confirming that show IP route EIGRP, or you can confirm the router is the network is advertised or not in the routing table in the EIGRP network. For example, show run section EIGRP, show run section including EIGRP, show run section. Let's start with the EIGRP. Yeah, you can use the command show run. I mean, we are checking it is configured into EIGRP domain routing table. I mean EIGRP routing protocol. We are advertised or not? Yeah, we have advertised our all network. 20 LAN is also advertised, but this is not coming into our LAN 1 router. Also, you can confirm this side also the same way. It is advertised or not. Show run section starting with EIGRP configuration. We have advertised our LAN and both the WAN network also. There is no any issue in configuration. Even we are advertised, why it is not getting advertised into other routers? So one condition is that if we are advertising 20.0 network, the interface should be up in the in this network. So we have to confirm our interfaces towards the LAN is up or not. Show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. See, our 20.1 towards the LAN side is administratively down, maybe by misconfigured or maybe some other reason. It is happened administratively down that interface. So we have to confirm that the interface is up. This is one reason this is not advertising into EIGRP routing domain. So it should be up in order to advertise into EIGRP domain. So we can confirm interface gig 0/2, the interface towards the LAN should be up. No shutdown. Okay, no shutdown. Now you can check this network is coming or not. You can check show IP route EIGRP. The newly 192.168.20 should come here if the issue is resolved there. Yeah, now it comes into our routing table of the R1 router 1. It is there. You can check the reachability into that gateway 192.168.20.1. we are getting the reachability. Now that issue is resolved. Now you can check the same way, is there any issue? We are advertising in through EIGRP, but this is not coming into other routers routing table. So what is the reason? Maybe the interface is down. Show IP interface brief. Yeah, we have the same issue here also. The interface towards the LAN is down. We can put it no shutdown. Interface gig 0/2, no shutdown. Now the interface is up. Now you can check, it should come, this 192.168.30 should come into EIGRP of the other routing table, other routers routing table. Show IP EIGRP, show IP route EIGRP. See, now 192.168.30 is also comes into our routing table. Now it seems the issue is almost resolved. You can confirm all our routing networks, all our subnets comes into our routing table. Show IP route. We should know that the subnets used in our network, so that we can check all the networks are listed in our routing table one by one. We have one interfaces, the WAN interfaces all is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 networks, and we have 192.168.10 LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3 and LAN 4. Now you can confirm between these PCs, PC 0 to this PC. This is 20.2 PC, this is 10.2. You can ping from here to that. 20.2, this is the LAN 2 PC. LAN 2 PC means from, I mean, we are now checking the connectivity from this PC into this PC. Also we have to check from this PC into this PC. This is 20.2. Now we are getting the reply from 20.2. We have the reachability. The issue has been resolved into the LAN 2, and this 30.2 also we have to check. Okay, we are getting the reply from 30.2, that is a PC from the LAN 3. Now everything is working perfect. So the issue was the interface towards the LAN was down. That is why they are not advertising into EIGRP domain.